I was just gifted the HEBECA body hair trimmer, and in this video I'm going to put it to the test. Now, to start off with, what I love about this is that it's designed for wet or dry conditions. The trimmer itself is waterproof with an IPX7 waterproof rating. It comes with a bag for storage and a very clear manual, and then you get a variety of attachments along with the trimmer itself. It has two trimming combs. You have the 3 to 6 millimeter and the 9 to 12 millimeter. Then it has the precise trimmer, and with these you can always trim directly with it straight, or it also comes with this super tiny trimming comb. And finally, it comes with a rotary shaving head, and then the trimmer itself feels so nice in my hand. It almost has like a silicone-like plastic feel, really nice and smooth. While this is waterproof, I am noting that there is a USB-C port on the bottom, so you will want to be careful with that. The final pieces are that it does have a USB-C to USB-A cord, which it looks like you can plug directly into it and into a wall, or it comes with this lovely stand here, which you can plug the USB-C right into, and this charges through these little magnetic dots on the bottom. So let's put this to the test. Now here it is close up. Like I said, really nice and pretty. You can just pop this off to clean it, and then it pops back into place. And then you can take this whole thing off to add on the other attachments. Now, turning on is as easy as pressing the single button. It's very quiet. It goes back and forth very cleanly. As you can see, there's no concern about cutting my skin with this. Really nice. Now I'm going to test how cleanly this trims on an old wig I have here. So I'm going to take out this portion. I don't want to trim too much off, so I'm going to go with that and see how this does. Just turn it on. Easy peasy. I can push really, really hard, and I have no concern about hurting my skin, and it trims everything super clean. Definitely gets it trimmed down. So that's working really well. Now, of course, I want to test it on my skin as well. I will mostly be using this for armpit and bikini line, but for video purposes, I'm going to show this on my leg. My hair is already pretty short on my leg, but I think I can shorten it more. Really, really nice and clean. And if for some reason I was working on an intimate area, I wouldn't use this larger piece. I would switch down to this one, because this would give me that much more precise trim. And it definitely does just that. So let's go in with this one for a much closer trim. Again, no concerns here. It's just getting the hairs that stick out. And this is working better than everything. My hair was already short enough that it didn't actually need to be shortened. And so this is just taking it all out really, really nicely. Now, it's been a few minutes. This is so much trimmer, not irritated at all. And up here you can see that there is a lot more hair up in this section, and then it's all clear down here. I did have a little redness to start, but that was just because I was scratching along my skin with this, just like if I scratched with my fingernails. Very temporary, so works beautifully. I'm really quite impressed. And I do want to show how easy it is to put these combs on if you want to trim longer. They just slide in. There's these little ridges on each side, so you just want to push down, and then you have that on, and it just pops up the same way. I am really impressed with how cleanly this works. I love all the different adapters. This is one nice body hair trimmer.